Hi everyone! Today I would like to show you this pretty cute 12-month planner. I bought this in Michael's Arts and Crafts. In the beginning of January, Michael's had a 40% off sale going on for some of their planners. And they also had an extra 20% off coupon that you could use on sale items. So I ended up paying about $13 for this planner. It originally cost $32.99. This is the first planner that I have ever bought. I wanted to be a little bit more organized this year. I know I'm starting late. Today is February 1st, but better late than never. My favorite thing about this planner is that it has some very cute heart rings. You can easily take off pages of your planner and you can easily put them back without actually ruining the paper. This is what the front of the planner looks like. It has Dream Seeker in copper letters, and this is the back. The inside covers are a nice green color, a dark green color, and it has this very cool pattern inside. These are the Happy Planners creator. They have their own YouTube channel, Instagram page, Facebook page, and their own website. This is your first page. It says Plan a Happy Life 2020. Hi there, this big happy planner belongs to, and you put in your name. I have my full name here, but my first name is Jacqueline. Here you have your 2020 and 2021 calendar. On the edges, it has these very cute flower feather patterns. Next, you have a quick list under January through December. You can jot down whatever you want in here. It has your days of the week and the dates. So Wednesday was January 1st, Thursday was January 2nd, so on and so on. Here you have important dates, get it done, notes section for January, and this is the first page of the month. You have a feather design here with copper letters. It says you are so brave. The planner for all of the months have the same section, so we're just going to quickly look through January, and then I'm going to go through all of the other months. I already have some dates jotted down. These are all information for my prenatal appointments. This is what January looks like. On the edge here, it has a section for your notes, for your quick notes. On January 25, my dad and his wife had a baby shower for me, so I quickly jotted this down. Here you have a monthly habit tracker. It has monthly goals, check it off list, and note to self section. Next, you have your jotted down section, your top 3 priorities for January and what you're thankful for. Here you have your daily tasks. Here you have a little section for don't forget. Here you have a nice section for your notes. And again, the beginning of the month, you have important date section, get it done, and notes. This is for February. Since all of the months have the same sections, I'm going to quickly go through February through December. Thank you everybody for watching. As always, you can follow me on my social media sites. Have a good weekend, everybody.